40 guys, here, bringing you another scooter how-to tutorial video. So first off, we're going to start by teaching you guys how to bar spin. The wheelie bar spin version. So many people have been asking, what are bar spins good for? They're pretty much not a singular trick. Most people use them to combine with other tricks in combos. Like, for example, tail whip bar spin is a common combo used, or a Bry 180, and then in the middle of it you use a tail whip, and you can also add a bar spin into that if you feel lucky. Or on tuck no handers, you can try to spin your bars. You never know. There's pretty much limitless opportunities with that. We're going to go ahead and show you how to wheelie bar spin. That's how you wheelie bar spin. It's quite simple. I'll show you one more time. There it is again. It's quite simple. It looks way better to do off a jump. Next, we're going to teach you guys how to stall. So a stall is a trick. You come up to the bar, or wherever you're grinding, ledge, you jump, you stay on like so, and then you jump off like this. That's called a stall. This is a stall 90, a stall 180, and those are what we'll be trying today. First, we're going to show you how to basic stall. This is how it's done. That was a stall 90. I'm sorry, I'm so used to doing stall 90s that I'll try a normal stall one more time. That was a perfect normal stall. We'll do the stall 90 perfectly. Stall 90. Now we'll try stall 180. I'm sorry, folks. I'll try that one more time. That one failed. Just not in the motion. I'll try one more time. There was a stall 180 with a 1 foot landing. That's all for today, folks, and we'll see you next time.